Vegeta? Do you wanna kill a planet? Come on, let's go today. We never kill things anymore. No blood, no gore.
What's going on, everybody? It's Teeky again. Been gone for the holidays, so this video's kind of late for an unboxing of Christmas gifts, but apparently I still have more to come. DubTV315 is supposed to send me something. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video anyway because, well, my mother wants me to do one, so yeah. Let's fix this camera here to go slightly more down. Close enough? Alright, cool. Well, also, I got a mystery box, so to speak, because I never ordered it, and apparently nobody's fessing up to it, so we're gonna open that one first for fun. And it's, I didn't really scratch out my address, so I'm gonna do that right now for most of them. Give me a second.
I think a killing spree is overdue. I started killing all the tuffles at the bars. We don't serve your kind. It gets a little boring. No
so, I don't know what this is. I really fucking don't. It's apparently from Pharma Packs. So, yeah, we're gonna open that one first. I don't know what's in here. I don't. Nobody's fessing up on telling me what's in it. Or that they sent it. Apparently my older brother's supposed to send me something too. Oh. Amazon. I was wondering when that was coming. Never mind, I know what that is now. Anyway. My bad. Well, that was anticlimactic for me. So this one's from my mother. Don't know what it is. Apparently it's from the Man Crate. So far, all I know that's possibly in there because someone gave it away is beef jerky. So we're gonna open it up and find out what's inside.
Do you wanna kill a planet?
Because, you know, it's wrapped in fucking duct tape. There we go. Oh God, Jesus, why? What the?
Hey Vegeta, happy Frieza Day. Hey Vegeta,
Boombox. Read it with me, people.
We've been waiting all year for this night. When the skies explode.
Thanks, Mom.
Destructive light, and all the women and children are gonna die. Murdered by a very
I keep my ammo in this. If I had any.
And as the planet glows, love inside me grows. It's Frieza Day, and all the kids will see every casualty. It's the best time of the year for the family.
So it's like I'm building my own stereo? I mean, it's kind of cool. Oh shit. This is one of those jokes. Okay, I am literally building my own stereo, so hold that thought. Hold that thought.
Hey Vegeta, happy Frieza Day.
So yeah, this is building your own stereo. I'll have to make another video when it's done, or just do a video of me trying to build it, but of course it'll be fast forward. But thanks, Mom! I'll make a separate video for that. I got one more box to open up, so give me a second, let me clear this and go from there. Got one other box to open up. This one's huge, you can't even fit under there. Yeah, so I got this. My buddy got all these for me, and it's actually been sitting in my room for I don't know how long. I just haven't opened it. I've been too lazy. So I'm finally gonna open it up and see what's inside.
everything's okay.
Also, if you're bored, comment down below. Do you like me with the beard or not? Not that I'll be able to keep it or anything, you know, it'll work. But just fun to mess around.
Hey Vegeta, happy Frieza Day. No matter what, you can't be late. Time to eradicate. So put your worries aside, cause there's no place to hide.
Okay.
Your world
Well, maybe I don't switch
die
one.
tonight. It's
Yep.
Frieza time. Hey
The box bent a little.
Hey
That's fine. I'll get another shot of this out of the box, but for now that's what it is.
Hey Vegeta, happy Frieza.
I guess it is for next.
Feel the planet explode while your loved ones are bleeding. It's that time of year. Frieza Day is here, and with the key bolts from above, we send you our love, and everything's okay. Hey Vegeta, happy Frieza Day.
This one, of course, is Dark Magician Girl.
Hey Vegeta,
And yeah,
Frieza Day.
so it's good. It's good. Someone's trying to call me on the video. CP Ruckus is calling me. But I will get back to him in a minute. Okay, and last but not least, last one.
Popo the genie is a
No,
dark
it's
and
not.
evil soul with a heart as black as cells, but crack and destruction as his goal. Popo
Sorry about
the
that. My
genie has a
phone's
big
camera was like,
heart
oh hey, you're out of memory on your SD card, so I had to delete some stuff. And yeah, that's the last one. Guess I'll have to hurry up since I'm out of memory on that SD card and switch out the SD card.
Popo the genie was alive, well maybe, for he sometimes said I might be undead with a dark sadistic glee.
Anyway. So this is complete.
I don't think I like this song, Dad.
I guess it's just another poster for me to put up. Anyways. And there's that. So yeah, anyways, I will make another video of whenever my brother and Dub TV sends me another unboxing video, and then there we go. Anyways, so that was the late Christmas gift opening, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, for more content, please like, comment, subscribe. Well, consider subscribing, you don't have to. And yeah, until then, I'm Teeky. Later.